we have a table over here. This table is named as baseball, which has this following variables. Now for some reason, if you want to know the unique number of teams into this table, let me just show you the total number of observation in this table. The total number of observations are 322. If you want to know the unique number of teams into this table, how would you find that? If you want to know unique number of, okay, let's first focus on one variable. Then for that, probably you can just check proc fric. You can find proc frequency. Proc fric data equals to mylib dot baseball, and tables you can do team and then run. This way you'll get a summary. Still you will have to count this number of observations. So what can be the simplest way to know that? And the other challenge is, if you have to know the unique value in more than one variable, how would you know that? So that's the task we're gonna achieve today. For example, you want to know unique value in teams, unique value in league, unique values in division and in salary and in div and so on, right? How are you gonna know that? For that, you can just put a simple proc SQL quit, and then in that, all that you need to do is count. Probably you might be doing count like this, count a star. So this gives you the total number of observations, right? Here we just gonna put the variable name in which we want to see the unique value and as teams. Okay, so if you take this from mylib dot baseball, so if you run this will give you the total number of observations, 322, because you want to know the unique item in this variable. So for that, you just need to put distinct. That's it. You just put distinct and you would have the number of unique values. So there are 24 unique teams into the team variable. All right, now let's try for another variable. The another variable we had division. All right, distinct div as div, and just run this. Well, so in div you have just 4 unique divisions. So this is how you can get the number of unique items in a particular variable. As many variables as you want, you can use. All that you need to do is just put distinct along with the variable name into the count function div we just saw. Similarly, you can find it for league, for division and all. Hope you understand. In case of any doubt, put your doubts in the comment section.